To edit your system colors in Windows 11, right-click on the desktop and choose Personalize. Now you can click on the Colors group, and you'll find that there's an option between a light mode, a dark mode, and a custom mode. Right now we're seeing the light mode. If I click on dark, it'll switch to a preview of the dark mode. And custom is essentially the ability to choose a mode for Windows itself and then an app mode. So let's switch back to light and look at some of the other options we have here. So we have transparency effects, so windows and surfaces appear translucent. For example, the taskbar has a little bit of a color hue there. Transparency is on. If I turn that off, you see that that slight hue disappears. So it's that kind of a very subtle reveal of what's in the background on some Windows elements. Now you can choose your accent color manually. For example, here we have our blue chosen, or we could switch over to this particular shade of pale red, right? And you see the button changes color there to give you a little bit of a preview of how that accent color might work on your system. If none of these colors here suit you, you can click on Custom Colors, the View Colors button here, and we have this hue square here where you can kind of slide around and pick a particular hue, which you'll see previewed in the upper right hand corner. And this line below here, with the slider, you can make that particular hue lighter or darker, right? Now keep an eye on the color preview here. It shows you how the color you've chosen will show on your system with the fonts that the system will choose on it. So make sure that all of these boxes here have readable text. You know, if you switch it, for example, if I go so dark here that you can barely read these two, then that would not be a good color for you, because you'd be missing out on certain options and etc. You just wouldn't be able to read them, all right? So let's hit cancel on that there. Now show accent color on start and taskbar is grayed out when you're in the light mode. But if we switch to dark, all right, and we go back down here, we now have that as true. So if I turn that on, you'll see that the accent color, the blue here, now shows on the taskbar. So you have to be in the dark or custom modes for this particular option here to work, okay? So we're going to switch back to our original light here. And we also have some contrast themes. Now these are very useful for people with limited vision, because they need often a very high contrast for them to be able to see what's on the screen. If we check some of those out, there's 4 that have been set up: the aquatic, desert, dusk, and night sky. Right now, none of them, that's our other option, of course, none is selected. If we switch to aquatic and click apply, then we'll see this particular high contrast theme. You can see how contrasty it is. And try one more. We'll apply the desert one. This is a lighter version of high contrast, right? And of course, if you want to switch back to none, choose none and hit apply. So that's poking around specifically with colors, etc. And then getting into actual themes here with the contrast themes. There's also, in this same area under contrast themes, there's a quick link to the related setting, the general themes, right here. And you can just sort of cycle through these and see these ones are set up by Windows or Microsoft, or sometimes your seller, like if you buy from Dell or HP, they may have 1 or 2 in there. And basically, just check each one out. They'll have different color themes and backgrounds, etc. And once you choose a theme, you can then tweak your colors using the methods that I've just shown you.